Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to clear all watch history on TikTok. So for you to be able to clear the watch history on TikTok, you have to open your TikTok app on your phone. Once you open it, then you tap on the profile icon. On tap on the profile icon, then you tap on this 3-line button at the right top corner of the screen. You tap on it, then you tap on settings and settings and privacy. From there, then you tap on, you scroll down a little, then you tap on activity center, which is of this option. Tap on it, then you tap on this option, which is watch history. You tap on it, then from here they can see the list of videos you've watched so far on TikTok. Then you can easily select them all, then select all at once, then you delete them, and that's it. If I find the video helpful, like and follow for more. Thank you.